Welcome back to Just Drive It. We're going to give you an update on the 67 Fastback, so come along with us. As most of you know, this car actually runs and drives. We've done a video for it, but there's definitely stuff that needs to be done on it. The paint is all screwed up intentionally. It's more rust preservation than anything else. As you can see, I've got areas like this that need to be patched down here, just a little bit right above this patch. I'm going to go through and finish welding and patching the quarters on this car on both sides. I also need to take and do some work right in here in the gutter, but let's see. Over here, we pretty well just need to clean it up. There's a little bit of work right here and a little bit of patchwork right here, right in front of the tire. But the biggest deal that I need to do on this car is the rear springs. The rear springs are sagging really, really bad. So those will be finished out. Just recently, I changed out the ignition switch in here because I lost the keys. And that's why I had to stop driving it. But there are a couple spots that still need to be re-welded up, specifically right behind that little piece of metal right there. And I've got some spot welds over here that I want to add. Once those are done, we got to cap the holes for the AC system, the fresh air system, so that it goes back to being able to run it correctly. And I've got some gaskets for the windshield wiper pivots. Engine runs and drives, that's not a problem, and I'm actually happy about that. We will do a few tweaks, but initially the main thing is going to be having to do with the rear of this car and getting the quarter panels welded up good and getting the rear springs taken care of. I'm not worried that much with the front suspension, even though there's a couple small rattles in it, because next year we're actually going to focus on that as well, on the suspension, and it's going to be a bit of a surprise. So that's the 67 Fastback. Now, the plan with all of these is the same as it always is. We want to get them running and driving good enough, in this case, good enough to keep them on the road and go do our driving and our videos from Just Drive It. Because that is the premise behind these vehicles. Even though they're not the most beautiful, they're not restored to the highest quality, as long as they are drivable, as long as they are safe, get out there and drive it. You can always keep working on them. You can always get them to a better position. But the main idea is to just drive them. Get them out there. Go have fun. Spend time with your family. Live and make those dreams instead of sitting there going, oh, I wish I'd have done it. So, if you like this, please like, subscribe, Rumble if you're on Rumble, comment, and we'll see you on down the road here. Just drive it.